Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. RDC Man installed with admin rights, remote hosts reachable, and remote desktop enabled on each target. Next, open RDC Man and create a new group to keep hosts organized. This helps when you scale. Once done, add a new server entry and paste the hostname or IP, then assign the credential profile you prepared. Make sure to save the RDC Man file so your connections persist and you can return quickly. You now refine connection settings so sessions behave predictably. Open the server properties and choose whether to use saved credentials or prompt at connect. Saved credentials speed up repeated access, while prompts improve security. Then configure display resolution and color depth to balance performance and usability, and enable device redirection if you need local drives or printers. Once configured, apply settings at the group level to propagate to many servers. This saves time and ensures consistent policies across your environment. You finish by testing each connection one at a time, confirming login and expected desktop behavior. If a connection fails, check the error. Authentication issues usually mean wrong credentials or expired accounts. Network or timeout errors often point to firewall, port 3389 being blocked, or DNS misconfiguration. Make sure to consult Windows Event Viewer on the remote host for RDP errors. Finally, update your saved credentials, fix firewall rules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.